In today's topic, we're going to talk about FHA and tips for finding a home. Now, if you decide FHA is the best loan program that works for you, it's going to be important to make sure that before you view a home, that the home is available to be sold to a buyer that is getting an FHA loan. The reason I tell you that is, as a consumer, when you go to, and you're not working with a buyer agent, and you go to realtor.com or remax.com or some of those other websites that are just feeds from the local MLS, this information usually is not provided to you. Some of the information that would be in the local MLS system is hidden, and the reason it's hidden is because they want you to call them at remax.com or realtor.com. They want you to call them to get more information. So it's really important that you establish a relationship with a buyer agent in the location that you're looking to purchase a home. Then you will have direct access to all of the information, and this information will give you the financial piece and tell you what the seller is willing to, what types of loans the seller is willing to sell their home through, because really it's up to the seller. Now, if under the financing area in the multiple listing service this information is not given to you, don't give up. Talk to your real estate agent or your buyer agent and find out. Have them call the seller's agent and say, listen, is this home available through FHA? Because more times than not, the only reason this information is not there is because the seller's agent didn't type it in, or they're uneducated about the easy process of getting an FHA appraisal. It's not an FHA inspection, it's an FHA appraisal. Years ago, there were a lot of situations where when there was an FHA appraisal, there was a lot of repairs to do. They were very strict years and years ago. It's no longer like that. It's a very easy process, and they're looking for just your basic safety requirements. If the house was built before 1979, they're looking for chipping and peeling paint because of it being possible lead-based paint. You should be able to get a list of the FHA appraisal requirements from either your real estate agent, your buyer agent, or your mortgage advisor. Now, if the information isn't listed in the multiple listing service or on the data that you're looking at regarding the house, you should not give up. You need to talk to your real estate agent, and if you're working with a buyer agent, they should be qualifying this home for you before you're viewing. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Those are the things that you need to be aware of when looking for a home with an FHA loan. We hope this information has been beneficial to you, and now you know just a little bit more about finding a home with FHA.